And then, we will move on to talk about use of IFS with complex trauma. And, the way that we will approach it is as if, like we have this client with complex trauma, who is starting therapy with us. And the client will be role played by one of the PAs. And so we will see some demos of how we start therapy, how we address particular stuck points that often happen in complex trauma. And then, how we kind of like deal with protectors, how we deal with exiles. And there will be theory, there will be demo, and there will be practice around that. So throughout those 2 days, participants will be exposed to how to really, organize long-term therapy and, practicing different points that are challenging in work with complex trauma. In their small groups with the help of assistants who will be playing clients and coaches at the same time.
Mm.